Hi there! In this video, I will show you how to record your screen using Gamebar. Gamebar is a built-in tools in Windows that allows you to record and take screenshots of your screen. Press Windows plus G to open it. To record Click Capture, it will open a new window like this. Click this if you want to take a screenshot, and click this if you want to start recording. You can also enable this to record your voice into the video. Or you can remember these shortcuts to open those features without opening some windows. For screenshot, press Windows plus Alt plus print screen. For recording 30 seconds video, press Windows plus Alt plus G. For recording, press Windows plus Alt plus I. To enable the mic, press Windows plus Alt plus M. If you want to customize the shortcuts, go to Settings, Shortcuts, and there you go. After done recording, your video will be saved in this folder. But you can't save your recorded video to another folder. You only can move the captures folder to a different location. You can adjust these settings before you record, like background recording, maximum video length, recorded audio, and recorded video. In addition, Gamebar does not allow you to record your desktop and your file explorer. So there you go. Hope it helps. Thanks for watching.